Good afternoon. My name is Csaba Szilágyi. I'm responsible for the human rights collections and programs at the Open Society Archives, recently renamed the Blinken Open Society Archives at Central European University. And on behalf of OSA and all my colleagues present here, I would like to welcome you at this somewhat unusual, unconventional event. And I'm glad that so many of you could make it and could be present here. And initially, we prepared a different scenario because, as it was mentioned in the program, we are a team of people working on this Yugoslavia archive project. But eventually, the task to open the conference was delegated to me. Very democratically, we voted. But you will get to know my colleagues during the coffee breaks and also from the film that we will show you in just a couple of hours at 5 o'clock this afternoon. So I will use my 15 minutes of fame to give you or offer you just one reading of why we are here. But before I do that, I would like to thank a few people who assisted us in organizing this conference. So I would like to thank the Conferences and Academic Events Fund at CEU for supporting this conference and workshop. And also to the many colleagues at OSA, some of whom are present here in the background, and you will get to know them later today. And also, thanks are due to the Media Lab at CEU, which provided us with equipment, proper equipment for shooting the film. So why is this event unconventional? From our point of view, it is because this is the first time when we turned an internal archival project inside out and invited internationally known media scholars, visual artists, social anthropologists, filmmakers, journalists, lawyers, political scientists. I was going to say politicians. We are watching politics 24 hours a day, so excuse me for that gaffe. Political scientists, historians, to publicly offer their thoughts on a work in progress that they have never heard about. That is the re-archiving of over 2,000 videotapes of Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian primetime television broadcasts from 1996 to 1999, which is part of a more comprehensive effort of ours to create an online, post-World War historical archive of Yugoslavia from the records available at OSA. Although they have not known our project before, they have extensively researched, written about, or used the subject of our work. We are hoping that with your help and expertise, we will be able to better understand the nature of politically controlled state televisions and media in general, and how it influenced and shaped events, national identity, political discourses, memory, and reconciliation during and especially after the recent wars in the former Yugoslavia. At the same time, we are keen to learn more about your experience in archiving, as well as reusing and performing the archives of television broadcasts in concrete artistic projects, historical and political science research, and education. We are also hopeful that together we'll be able to learn more about something that is of utmost concern for us, and this is the role of archives and the problems of archiving in these processes. There are good chances that during these less than 2 days, we together, users and curators and archivists, will manage to find new meanings of and for the audiovisual documents in question, and keep them permanently in the making, ready to be reused and recontextualized anytime. We believe that in our hands the archive, quote, is not only a storage technique, but a space to escape from monolithic truth, history, and memory, unquote. Well, to sum it up, this all looks like we are asking a big favor from you, and this is true. We would like you to assist us in advancing this project and in making it better and widely known for the benefit of all of us. What we can offer in exchange is our archival material, our experience with it so far, and our hospitality. We are really grateful that you have accepted our invitation, and thank you very much for coming.